Hello guys, I'm your girl Miss the Farm Lady. I'm here again with very educative and informative video. Water quality management is very important when it comes to fish farming, and it's also a very crucial one which determines the growth of your fish. So stay tuned, I'll be right back. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about the pH. pH is one of the most important chemical properties of water, and it's a vital water parameters when it comes to fish farming, because the pH of the water will determine almost everything in your pond water. So what's pH? pH, for simple understanding, it tells you the acidity, whether your water is neutral or the alkalinity of your pond. So today I'm going to take you through how you can use the pH test paper. The pH test paper. This is the pH test paper. There are different tools that are used to measure the pH of water. We have the pH meter, we have the pH solution, and we have the pH test paper. I've tried the pH meter, it did not work for me, so I decided to change over to the pH test paper, and it has been really good and for the couple of 3 months. So I'm going to show you how to use this pH test paper. So first of all, the pH meter has a reading or number of them starting from 1 to 14. 1 to 6 means your pond or water or whatever substance you want to measure the pH is acidic. 7 mean neutral, none being alkaline or non-alkalinity. Then from 8 to 14 mean your substance, your pond water has an alkaline base. And also remember, we also do take pH reading for soil, for cream, and also for soap. So that's right. So now let's dive in straight. This is the pH paper. It comes in different. It comes in a box, and you have this chips in them. So this is just one of them, and you can see on it the colors are there already from 1 to 14. So this color will help you to really determine the pH of your water when you use this pH test paper. So this is the pH test paper. It is in yellow color. This is the test paper. It is in yellow color. So you have to ensure you just take one strip of this and ensure that you dip it 80% into the solution that you want to use. These are my pond water. This from pond 1, this from pond 2, I'm sorry, and this from pond 1. These are the two different water for my pond. So I'm going to use the pH tester to really show you the pH of my water, whether it is alkaline, whether it's neutral, or whether it's acidic. So now this, we are going to first of all do pond 2. So we are going to dip this strip into this water at least at 80% of the strip. So we are going now, you can see. Okay, so now, and you have to wait for like some minutes, some minutes after you have tested the paper, and after that you match the color from the paper to that of the one on the color palette here. So you can see that the color is 7, tells you my pond 2 is okay. But for me to be sure, I always say this, to be sure of your reading, ensure you take at least 2 readings. So we are going to take it again for the same water from pond 2 to ascertain that the 7 that I have, it's really correct. So we are going to take again one strip from this test paper and dip it into the water again and wait for some minutes. You can see the color still says 7. That tells you my pond 2 is okay, everything is fine, the pH is balanced, and everything is okay when it comes to pH stuff. Okay, now we have done with pond 2. Now we are going to pond 1. We repeat the process again. So now we are going to do it for pond 1 to be sure whether pond 1 is okay or not. So we go again. We are going to dip again the strip into this water again. This from pond 1. I'm going to do that again. We'll wait again for some minutes. Okay, so now we go again. Still, it tells you, like this one is telling me, okay, this one is 8. This one is 8. It's 8. This one is 8. Okay, let me do it again to be assured of my results. So I'm going to do it again for the second time for pawn 1. Okay. Okay. So you can see it's dark green. Yeah. So my pawn 1 is 8, and that's okay. That's normal because for your pH the best range is between 7 to 8, and some that have points you can see maybe 6.5, 7, 7.5, 8, and all that. So I'm still within the range, and my fishes are okay and the water is okay. Thank you for watching. I hope I was able to teach you something. I hope you learned something. Please don't forget to like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe as well, and also to smash the notification bell so that you'll be updated whenever I upload a video. I still remain your girl, Miss Odielele. Bye bye.